Hey guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the lock repair that I did back in August with crochet hooks. It was my first time ever using them, and I have to say I'm really glad I did it because I feel like my ends look so much better than they did before. I was dealing with a lot of damage still from the color that I got a year and a half ago pretty much. But now a lot of my ends are really nice and sealed and tight like this one. I do have this one. I can't remember if I tried to fix it or not. It is kind of bent a little bit weird, but for the most part, a lot of my locks are nice and sealed. It's been 3 months again, and I'm just happy. I'm just glad that I did this. I wish I did this a long time ago. This one that I'm holding on to right here, this one you can kind of see a line of demarcation where I tried to fold the lock together. But over time, that's going to lock up too because it's already tight. It's not coming unraveled. I also have this weird hammerhead slash double-headed dragon thing going on with this lock. I don't know if I tried to repair this one or not, but either way, I'm going to have to fix this because it looks crazy. Overall though, y'all, I'm glad I did this. I'm so glad I did this because now I don't have to worry that I'm gonna have to cut my locks more and lose more length because that's just exhausting and annoying, and I'm done with that. My weight line is still not 100% even, but I think that's okay, honestly. As long as I don't have any scraggly, crazy looking locks, I'm totally fine with having different lengths. So that's all for this video, guys. Just wanted to share this good news. I will link to crochet hooks in the description box. I will also link to my Amazon store where you can find some of my lock favorites. And yeah, thanks for watching.